Hello, today we are taking a look at two new devices that I've got in my lab. As you already know, I'm interested in two-way radios, so this is something that I must try. This is something that if you are into amateur radio, you might find interesting, and I recommend you trying that. But it's not related. It's operate on the ISM band, does not require any licensing, no call sign whatsoever, which is good because you can take it for a travel or something like this and give to your friend who do not have a call sign, and you can have a good time. You can explore the RF radio, and yes, it's in the new form. So I'm not sure. You should know what this device is, but maybe I will tell in a very short word. This is a two-way radio that have two interfaces, one of the ISM band for communicating with other units, and the second interface is a Bluetooth one that is connecting you to mobile phone, which operate with the application provided and allow you to send that short messages. What's interesting, what's different in this, except for example LoRaWAN, which is quite popular, is that this is a mesh network. And what does it mean? You can have one of this unit not pair to the phone, and they are acting like a relay station. So if one of this unit is on the edge of cover of one unit, another, it can jump between of this and relay your messages. I'm not sure how good the routing protocol is. That would require much more of testing. If this is something like on the routers and the TCP/IP, so are they know what kind of the MAC address, or they are calling some kind of address. That's the GID. This is how they are calling the unit IDs. So I'm not sure how smart this is. This is a stupid repeating of any packets, or it just going to retransmit to by couple of hops and it know the surroundings? I don't know. I didn't make any more trials except just checking if this unit is working. So there we've got a room for testing. But yes, so this is what this device is. You can send messages and you can extend range by having them turn on in the area. And yes, you are creating a mesh network just like on this picture. So if you are here and you would like to send message over there, your range, for example, will be in that area, that circle, and their range will be that circle. So you are completely unable to send that message by the direct wavelength. But with this unit you can send your message there, and this device is going to send there. My previous question is how smart this is. So can this device transmit message here and here, or it's just stupid and it's going to retransmit? They're going to pick it up and the broadcast. So this is the question, but I don't know because the protocol is locked and I didn't see anything on the GitHub. So this is a closed source. I saw some kind of the API, but it looks like you have to tell them what do you like to planning, what kind of application are you trying to write. So I just pass. I didn't fill the request form. but there is some kind of API available upon request. So this is the box, but of course this is stuff you can of course read from the web page. Something what I like, I love to see stuff in hand when someone is holding it, because that gives me an indication how something is big or if it's well made. And about being well made, it's absolutely beautiful. It feels perfect. Believe me or not, this feels premium. That part is, I believe, aluminum. This looks like a silicone, and I'm using that constantly to hook up on me or on the backpack. That part is plastic but feeling rubber. We've got a on-off switch and micro USB charging socket. As you can see, it's rubberized, so I believe it's weather resistant. I'm not saying it's waterproof, but on the weather, raining, I believe it will be just fine. I'm telling you right now, we are going to make a couple more videos about this. I'm planning get more. I'm planning deploy one of this unit on the rooftop to act as a repeater and extend range. So we are definitely going to see more videos about this, and we are going to build a box for it together. And yes, this is how it looks like. In the package we've got a charging cable. The second one I've got plugged into a charger. We've got some kind of information like a quick start guide. In general, this looks like a sticker, and in general I never put any sticker because I don't want to be a advertisement for something that I paid. In general, they should pay me to wear a sticker, but in that case I believe I'm going to make a exception, and you might ask me why. So the reason of why this device could be really good is only when people are going to use it, because it's have less power, less the antenna gain that devices like this, and they will be only good as many people are using them. So advertising that you are one of their user made actually someone push to buying this unit and join the, maybe not a movement, but join the group of people who are seeing that, oh, I saw someone using this, so if they are using this, you are automatically are being a person who are extending range. Even if you are carrying this for yourself, you are still relaying messages. So telling that you are a user is good thing, maybe on your laptop or a car. Just let people see and let them maybe go and buy a second unit to be a relay. Okay, I've got everything set up. I've got 2 phone and 2 GoTenna pair. We can check that by going there, and we can see the battery. And if we hit this battery indicator, we've got a blinking LED on our unit, and exactly the same thing here. We can hit our battery and it responds. So first of all, what we can do, we can use a shout. As far as I read, shout is not using the hop, the extending. You are going to it's going to be received only by the closest GoTennas in your range, and this is similar to calling CQ on the radio. It's going to be received by anyone or by everyone, and you can just get in touch with a random person who's carrying this unit enable. And I'm going to type hello. Hello, yes, I've got it. Type right, I've got a hello, and I'm going to press send, and please take a look at this LED, and this shout window. I'm hitting send, receive, and we've got it over there, and we can open our message, and as you can see, someone is saying hello. And I'm going to go back, and I'm going to reply hello too. Okay, I've got it right now, and I'm going to hit send, and please observe the other way around. Okay, I'm hitting send right now, and we've got hello too. And we can of course replay back, and as soon as we're going to hit replay back there, it's going to arrive there. But that's not all from the interesting thing. From the interesting thing, we can, for example, check if someone is in the range, but for that we need our private conversation, which is one-to-one, and I'm going to use that right now, one-to-one chat, and this is ID of my other unit, and I'm going to say hello, and this is going to be received only but by this unit. It should be encrypted. The protocol is closed. I got no idea what's happened. I believe that was called secure encrypted, but yeah, I don't know. I'm going to hit send, and it was sent. You of course cannot see this because here we've got a new direct message, and we've got our hello. And the difference is that we've got a check mark, and that check mark is telling us that our message was received successfully. If that message would be sent by other hops, there will be information that it was by a relay, sent by a relay. I will show you that when more unit will arrive. And yes, and we can of course reply back, and let's take a look once again. Actually, I should reply here. Let me fix that. And it was received. So yes, that's how it looks like. And what is other interesting thing? Other interesting thing is that we can ping the other unit. So for example, if I want to check if the other unit is in range, I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to hit the ping. And I've got information that it was the unit, other unit was available. And you can take a look that they are talking to each other. You can also request a location, and let me show you that. You can go here and you can send your location, or you can request that person location. So if you go here, you can send, and I'm not sure if I want to share location, but yes, you've got location. If you click that, you are going to be shown on the map. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. This is a very first look at this unit, As you can see, there is much more to test. I'm waiting for other unit. I hope I'm going to put one of these on my rooftop, and that I'm going to find other people using that, so we can have a good fun. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos. See you next time, and bye bye.